Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure MongoDB latest version on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same on all Windows operating systems. So first go to MongoDB official website, that is mongodb.com. Click on resources, click on server documentation, then click on installation. See here we have the MongoDB Community Edition, MongoDB Enterprise Edition. I am going to download and install MongoDB Enterprise Edition. So click on install on Windows, then scroll down. See here we have the MongoDB download center. Right click on this one and click on open link in new tab. See here we have the stable version is 7.0, but release candidate is 8 also. Okay, so we have the versions from 3 to 7. Okay, so select the version, select the platform. See we have different platforms like Windows, Linux or Mac, and select the package. We have the zip and MSI. So select MSI and click on download. See, to download we have to provide basic information. Then check this checkbox and click on submit. See, download has been started and its size is 795 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this MSI file. Click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement by checking the checkbox. Then click on next. See here we have the two types of setups, complete or custom. So I am going to select complete. If you want to see here in custom, we have these many miscellaneous tools. So go back and click on complete. Then here we have the two types of services, run service as network service user, run service as local or domain user. So I don't have anything, so I want to run MongoDB service as network service user, and this will be the service name. Even if you want to give like this, you can give. Then this will be the data directory and this will be the log directory. If you don't want to keep data directory here, you can change. Later also you can change. I will show you how to change. Then click on next. See, if you want to install MongoDB Compass, you have to click on this one. If you don't want, you have to uncheck this one. Okay, I want to install it. Then click on next. If you want to modify anything, you have to click on back and you have to come forward. Then click on install. See, this is the MongoDB Compass. Let me minimize this one. See, we have successfully installed MongoDB Enterprise 7. Click on finish. Now go to Compass and this is the port number. Okay, and if you want to connect to this MongoDB server, you have to click on this connect. Okay, then click on connect. See, notice here these three are the default databases comes with MongoDB installation. And if you want to create new database, then you have to click on this plus button to create database. Click on it, provide the name. I am giving database name as R2 schools, but there must be at least one collection. Collection is nothing but we call as table in RDBMS. Okay, so I am giving student, then click on create. See, we have created database and it has the one collection. Okay, this is one way. If you want to create another collection, click on this plus button and create. See, here we have to provide the collection name. If you want to add data, you have to click on here. If you want to export data, if you want to update or delete, you have to click on these buttons respectively. Now we will see how to connect to MongoDB Enterprise by using Mongo shell. Download it by going to right click on it, open it, click on this download, click on Mongo sh, that is Mongo shell. Click on this Mongo, click on this download Mongo sh. Select the version and select the type of the package, that is MSI. Click on download. See, it has successfully started the download. Its size is only 41 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Install Mongo shell by clicking on this MSI file. Click on next. Before that, let me show you whether we have the Mongo shell or not. See here, this is the Mongo folder, but we don't have any Mongo shell. Okay, so this is the path to install the MongoDB shell. Then click on next. Back. If you want to change the directory, you have to click on this one. Okay, I'm okay with the default location. Then click on install. Click on finish. Now Mongo sh or open Windows run, then type Mongo sh, then provide the host name. See here, host name, connections. We go here, connection information. See, this is the host name. Okay, host name is localhost, so it has already selected. See, if we hit enter, we have connected MongoDB 7.0.8, and this is the version of Mongo shell, not the Mongo Enterprise server. Okay, so to verify list of the databases, show DBs. See, we have 4 databases, but for first 3 are default database comes with installation of MongoDB, and this RTSchools is the user database that we have created. To switch to this RTSchools database, use the command use then database. See, now we are in RTSchools. If you want to verify the list of the collections, show collections. See, we have the one collection, that is student, that we have created in the MongoDB Compass. Hit enter, one collection. Now create a collection by mentioning the collection name, that is class. I am going to create this class collection. Then insert one, give the class, it is a just example, so close it, put semicolon at the end of the each statement. See, we have created one collection. Now verify the collections, show collections. See, we have 2 collections. Even if you want to check the data in this class collection, db dot find, then put semicolon. See, we have the only one document. Okay, so in MongoDB we call row as document, and table we call as collection, database as database. Now we will see how to start, stop and restart MongoDB service on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same on all Windows 10 or Windows servers. Okay, so Windows run services.msc, press M. See here, we have the MongoDB server. See, in the brackets it has given the version number. See, its status is running. If you want to restart, right click on it and restart. If you want to stop, you have to select stop. Select it, and see here we have the stop and restart links also. Here we have the stop and restart buttons. Okay, all 3 are same. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MongoDB Enterprise Edition on Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to create a database collection and insert some documents in the collections. For more MongoDB videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.